Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely great way to do laundry. It is ditching all the plastics out there, and that is because it is laundry detergent sheets. So this was sent over by a company called Earth Breeze. It is made right here in the United States. It's going to come in this little package right here. They have a lot of different scents and smells. The one I have here is the fresh scent. So the little package here that I have is going to get basically up to 60 loads. However, depending on your load size, is going to depend on your sheet. So they're just all kind of tucked in here, a big little stack of them, and they work very, very easily, and they're super, super easy to use. So they're designed for all types of machines. You can use them in your HE machine, but this is your standard sheet size. So the whole entire sheet in if you have a large load, which is typically what I utilize. So if you're utilizing the full sheets, you're gonna get 30 loads. If you're utilizing a medium size load, just go ahead and rip it in half, just right down the center, and then you're gonna toss that in. Now, these are basically designed to quickly dissolve. So all you have to do is toss them in with your clothing, whether you have a front loader or a top loader, and they will quickly basically dissolve, won't leave any residue on your clothing or anything like that, which is super, super nice. They tackle basically all the stains and the odors just like normal detergent. It's just they don't have all that extra water that you typically get in the big plastic jugs. I mean, most of that is water. So this doesn't have that. You already have a ton of water in your washing machine, so you don't need to add actually more, which is pretty smart. Now, haven't had any issues with color fading at all on these. Like I said, they dissolve fast, no residue left on my clothes. This one smells absolutely great. It is going to work whether you use hot water or cold water. I've used it in both applications, and it will dissolve great. Now, the sheets themselves are made with no plastics, no microplastics. They're not like the little pods that you buy, which is technically like a petroleum base that slowly dissolves. No dyes, no paraben, no phosphates, none of that junk is basically in these sheets, which is great. They also are great for travel, because as you can see, this is essentially 30 sheet, which is gonna get you that 60 laundries if you use it in half, or 30 loads. So you can bring these, easily flat pack them in your suitcase, and even if you're washing clothes in a sink, you can easily rip this up in pieces, what you need, and go ahead and swirl it around, and it will dissolve very quickly. So if you're going to like Europe and you're basically going to be traveling a lot and you don't want to bring a ton of clothes, you can utilize that. So overall, if you are looking for a great way, more environmental friendly way to do laundry, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.